No noise. Okay. Yeah. No noise. No talk. Let's listen. Yes. As I was saying, I said today we'll be looking at cycle, right? Should, in case you are asked to define cycle anywhere you find yourself, you can give these three definitions. One, a cycle is a plane figure enclosed by a curved line, every point on which is the same distance, equidistance from a point within, called what? The center. Is that clear? Then the second one is, the cycle is defined as the set of all points meeting some specified condition, open bracket, locus, which are at a constant distance arrow from a fixed point C. The fixed point C is called the center of the cycle, and the constant distance arrow is called what? Radius. Or a cycle is a locus of a point which moves in the plane in such a way that its distance from a fixed point in the plane always remain constant. Here the point is called the center, and constant distance is called what? The radius of the cycle. So, should, in case you are asked to define what a cycle, out of these three, you can give anyone is accepted. Is that clear? So, can we proceed? It's okay. So far, so good. Amen? Amen. Okay. So, let us have some sketch. Let's have it in this form. Let us assume that this is cycle, although it is not perfectly in order, but let's assume this is the center C, right? And then we have the radius here. Then the center, let's have it H, K, and the radius is what? Arrow. This is the circumference, two of us. Point P, we name here P, X, what? Y. Amen? Amen. Okay. Yeah. I know very well that you were taught trig in algebra, two of us, were in the one. Two of us. Okay? And you know your Pythagoras theorem, isn't it? Using, you know that, I know some of you don't know how Pythagoras was established. It was through your plane. If now we have a plane of this form, this is origin, two of us. Because we know that, you know that our Pythagoras is this form, a right angle triangle, y, x, this is arrow, two of us. You people, you just assume that this is x, this is y. But how this y and x generated is from this plane. Amen? Amen. In this plane, you know that this is our plus x axis. This is our minus what? This is our minus y. Amen? Amen. Then this is our plus what? Plus y, isn't it? Amen? Amen. So it means this is x, this is what? Y. So now, by the time we join this distance, we now have our what? Hypotenuse. So now, by the time you off this, can you see now? Amen? Amen. Are you seeing now? This is how we obtain our what? Right angle what? Triangle. Then, as a result of this, we call it this distance. True or false? So R. So it means the Pythagorean theorem states that without cramming, you can tell somebody that this side is the longest side. True or false? It means the square of the longest side is equal to the sum of the square of the two remaining ones. Amen? Amen. Do you understand? So the statement, let us write this statement mathematically. This implies that r squared is equal to what? X squared plus y squared. So with this, someone can use this formula to calculate the distance between 2 points. True or false? Amen? Okay. So now, let us consider this cycle. This is the center. And we name the center as what? C open bracket H comma what? Then the radius is R. Then our P at point, the circumference is what? S comma what? Y. So you don't need a prophet to tell you. It means we are talking about the distance is between PC. True or false? True or false? So it means if we apply Pythagorean theorem, it means our PC square will now be equals to X minus H all in square plus Y minus what? K all in what? Square. Amen? Amen. True or false? Okay. So now, listen. Now, PC means what? R. True or false? So it means we can now write our R square is equals to X minus H all in bracket square plus Y minus K all in what? Bracket square. Okay, now we want to prove to obtain our Pythagorean theorem. Now, let us assume that the center is 0. What do I mean by the center? It means we are talking about H is 0. It means here will now be 0, 0. It means if H is equal to 0 and K is equal to 0, you don't need a prophet to tell you. This implies that our R square, is X minus 0 all in what? Square plus Y minus 0 all in square. True or false? Do you need a prophet to tell you again? It means the whole of this thing is the same thing as what? R square is equal to what? X square plus Y square. Amen? Any question? Any question? If you have any question, please ask. Any question?
0.
Yeah. We just assume it can be any alphabet. You understand? Not necessarily H and K. It can be any alphabet. In some textbooks, you might even see Z, either T. Is that clear? Not necessarily, you understand? Okay. Now, we want to move further to consider the general equation of a cycle. Amen? The general equation of a cycle. I can take off this part, right?
Yes.
Okay. So now let's move to consider the general equation of a cycle. The general equation of a cycle. Amen? Okay. Yes. Let us have C. Let C be minus G, comma, minus F. Always bear it in mind that at the center, as long as the equation of a cycle is concerned, the center is always what? Negative. Please take note. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
The center, as long as the equation of a cycle is concerned, the center is always what? Negative. It means this implies that, let me just have a rough sketch. This implies that at P, X, comma, Y, arrow C, the center is minus G minus F. True or false? Huh? Okay. So that is what is happening here. So now, if we now say let the center be what? Minus G, comma, minus, and radius. Radius, arrow, right? So now let us go back. Let's go back to the equation we wrote before. True or false? So now it means we are going to have what? X and at the point P. True or false? True or false? Okay. So now it means we are going to have X minus open brackets minus what? G close bracket, all in bracket what? Square. True or false? Go back to our previous this thing now. Check your notes. True or false? We use H and K. True or false?
Yes.
Yes, but here the center is what? Minus G. That is what we are doing. We are applying Pythagorean theorem. So now here will be plus Y minus open bracket minus what? F close bracket raised to power what? And this is equal to our distance. Arrow is. Amen.
Amen.
Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, what we need to do here? Huh? Yes. What we need to do here is this minus times minus. So we are going to have X plus G all in brackets square. Amen? Amen. Okay. So what we have here? Plus, right? So plus open bracket minus times minus. Y plus F all in brackets square equals to arrow square. Amen? Amen. Is there anybody that is not following up to this point? Because in the exam I may say, show, otherwise justify your theory, the equation of the cycle.
Okay.
We are proving it now. So you need all this. You have to draw it. I will say with the aid of the diagram. Any question from here and here? No question? Because I want to carry along everybody. Everybody, you must know this mathematics, whether they don't like it. This thing must enter your head. Amen. You must enter your head. And you finish this one. You see students, very funny set. Yeah, ask your question.
From, I'm also saying r squared equal to x, bracket open, x minus x minus b.
Yeah. I understand. You know that in mathematics, as long as mathematics is concerned, A is equals to B. We can still write B is equals to what? A. You don't commit any offense. You are right. Amen? Amen. So you continue with it. Okay, so let us proceed. I know very well that you might have taught you Pascal triangle or binomial theory, true or false? True or false? False. Guys, if I ask you to bring your notes, and if I see Pascal triangle and binomial theory, yes. You are the one. Yes, sir. Huh? Yes, sir. So wait, you don't know how to use Pascal triangle to expand the bracket? It's okay, let's continue. No noise. Amen? Amen. Okay, yeah, let's continue. Yeah. Anyway, you go back and learn, or just follow this YouTube, is there. I try to explain how you can use Pascal triangle to expand brackets. Yeah, I know very well, or you know, that if we have a squared, this is the same as a times a, true or false? Yes. So if now we have x plus g all in square, this is the same as x plus g times x plus g. True or false? Amen? Amen. Yeah. But you know, you are bigger boys and bigger girls. So you don't need this one. So you just apply Pascal triangle. Pascal triangle, you just need 1, 2, 1. That's the answer. Yes, this thing will give you 1, 2, 1. The answer. It means this idiot will give you x squared plus 2gx plus gx. That's the meaning of 1, 2, 1. This is 1. This is 2. 1 again. Amen? Amen. Oh, yeah. Do you understand? But supposing it's raised to power 3, assuming we have 3, it means we are still going to multiply this. True or false? So you just need 1, 3, 3, 1. Yeah, this answer, this idiot will give you x raised to power 3 plus 3x squared g plus 3x g squared plus g raised to the power of 3.
So 1, 3, 3, 1.
Yeah, 1, 3, 3, 1. That's the answer. You don't need a prophet to tell you. You are supposed to know all these things, so that it will not waste your time. When you are this one time, this guy online. No, I got it wrong. This one times this. This one, not be so.
Yes.
Now so you multiply this one again. Your mate has gone far. He will just say it's 1, 2, 1. He will write the answer. It's okay. So that is for another time. Is that clear? So this implies that this will give you, we are talking about the raised to power 2, and here we are going to have x squared plus 2gx plus g squared. Then here the same thing. Amen? But what we have here? Plus y squared plus 2fy plus what? F squared equals to r squared, right? True or false? True. So as it is, whenever you come across something like this, just what will first come into your mind is, this is equation of what? A cycle. Because equation of a cycle is always in this form. So let us put it orderly. Is that clear? Let's rewrite it. X squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus g squared plus f squared equals to r squared. Amen? Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now let us proceed further to consider yeah.
Sir, someone is lost.
You are lost?
Yes, sir. Yeah, lost.
You are lost? Okay, class, somebody is lost in this class. So we need to find the person. True of us. We have to find the person. True of us.
True.
So this part of the class, you will go to Radical Gate
Last day.
and charge for, what is the name? Muhammad. That if security asks you, just tell them that all of you were in class, but all of a sudden, our course mate is missing. Muhammad. Then this side, you go to staff gate. This side, you go to this other gate. And this side, go to main gate. If security asks you, just tell them that we are looking for the way they ask you to find X. So, okay, let us find Muhammad together here. Amen? Amen. Okay, Muhammad, yeah. Where?
From that
down.
Here? Here?
Yes, sir.
Here?
Yes, sir.
Oh, so you don't understand how we got all these idiots?
Yes, sir.
Look at it now. Oh, sorry about that. It's okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Sorry about that. Okay, let me just break it down here for you. X plus G all in square. So this is the same thing as X plus G, open bracket, X plus what? G. Amen? Okay? So if you can see what I am saying, you don't need a prophet to tell you, use this idiot to multiply this idiot. Thank you. That is why you are saying x squared. So here will be x squared. What we have here, plus, use this idiot to multiply this idiot. Gx, right? Then what we have here, plus, use the g to multiply the x is gx. Then plus g times g squared. So it means we can add these idiots together. So here we are going to have x squared plus 2g plus g squared. Amen? Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
No, I'm going to break this course for you. As you are here now, your brain has been divided, both in the spirit and physical. So after this class, I'm going to couple your brain back. It means everything has entered here. It will not escape. So even if you are sleeping, they wake you up. Muhammad, come and teach me what we have learned. You don't need to carry book again. You just say, yes, this is what Mr. Osi said. Yeah, this is this. Yeah. You understand? I will break it down for you. That is why I said, if you have any question, don't be shy. Is that clear? Ask questions. For you, it is for your own benefits. Because I will set an exam for you to take. Nobody is setting an exam for me. But you must write and pass the course. Two of us. Yeah. So, thank you for your question. I know a lot of them.
Shy.
Yeah. We are asking, how come we got 2gx and g squared and x squared? The young man just said 1, 2, 1. How? You know, Malians, they don't ask questions in class. And they are very focused. Whenever they are in class, you know, they have taken a lot of weed. So if they come to class, they are very focused, just looking at the lecturer. They don't talk. They don't talk. Observing. Yeah. You know when they will ask questions, when the lecturer is no more in the class, that's when you will say, "Kai, wallahi, I don't understand anything." What he has. Not be juju be that. Serious one. So can we proceed? Okay, let's proceed, right? Okay. So,
Sorry, sir.
yeah. You want to ask another question?
Yes.
Yeah, ask.
So G times G is not supposed to be G squared.
G squared. Are you not saying the square there?
I'm seeing it, but my main concern is that 2gx.
2gx.
Yes.
Oh, it's okay. I can now see that we have people who are blind mathematically in the class. Amen? Amen. So please, everybody should look at your right hand palm. You are blind mathematically. Let me open your eyes. Amen? Everybody, look at your right hand palm. Look at it. Look at your palm. Look at your palm. Use it to clear your two eyes and open your eyes. Look at the board very well. Look at the board very well. Are you seeing what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
Are you seeing what I am saying? No, the young man, he said G times G is supposed to be G squared. Why are we having 2G? That is where it gets confused. But you understand what we did just now? We got G squared plus GX or XG plus GX plus G squared. True or false? Okay. Let's look at it together. Add. Let's just do it this way. G plus G. What are you supposed to have? No, I'm talking to 2G, right?
Yes.
You are supposed to have 2G. I know some of you are confused. How can we add G and G to give us 2G? Let me open your eyes mathematically. Amen? Okay. Put it inside a bracket first, since they are the same thing. What is common inside this bracket? G. So it means we can factor it out. True of us. So if we factor this idiot out, it means something will be here, which is what? 1. True of us. Then what we have here? Plus. Then something will still be here, which is what? 1. Amen?
Yes, sir.
So it means we can have 1 plus 1, 2. So you can now see that G open bracket 2. G times 2 is it not? That's the reason why we got these idiots. Amen? Amen. Is it difficult? No. You know, in your secondary schools, they do not break the mathematics for you. That is why, in terms of addition, multiplication, subtraction, you are finding it difficult. Yeah, you are finding it difficult. Okay, now you now agree. Yeah, ask your question.
Why is it that object, P has X and Y, C has minus G and minus F? Why are we using X and Y to minus G instead of minus G minus X and minus F?
Minus what? Instead of minus G.
Yes, minus X.
X minus G.
Instead, why are we using X before G instead of using minus G minus X? Or something like that. How can't we use anyone? Was he must use the one the first before you use that?
No, now we said let the center be what? Minus G minus F. True or false? Eh? True. Then at the point P is what? X now. True or false? Comma 1. So it means X minus what? The center. Because the center is negative, true or false? So that is why you are saying X minus the center, but the center is negative minus what? G. Do you understand? Okay. So can we proceed now? Any other question? No. We can proceed. Okay. So now let us move this back to move this arrow square to the left hand side. If we move arrow square to the left hand side, it means this is how this equation will look like. X squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus g squared plus f squared minus r squared. It means here we now do what? Zero. Amen? Amen. Okay. We now indicate or excuse me, specify that as usual we set C equals to this, because C is the center. True or false? According to the definition. True or false? True. Okay? So we now say, as usual, set C equals to G squared F squared minus what? Are you following? Okay. So now, look at it. Now, it means anywhere you see this, you replace it with what? C. So here will now be x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to what? So this is the general equation of what? A cycle. Do you understand? This is your general equation of a cycle. So there is difference between, I may say, maybe in your test or exam, I may say, write down the general equation of a cycle. This is what I want. Are you following? Write down the general equation of a cycle. Mind you, this is not general equation of a cycle. X plus h minus h all square plus y minus k all square equals to r square. This is not the general equation of a cycle. Your general equation of a cycle is this. Do you understand? Yes. Are you following? Yes. You don't understand? The last one is the general equation of the cycle. So you have to follow the yes. The question, I may say, write down the general equation of the cycle. But if I say, yes, proof, that is when I need all this with the head of the diagram. Do you understand? So now, we have to consider we have to equate this. You know that by the time we equate this, if you can see what I am saying, if we take this, C equals to G squared plus F squared minus R squared. If C crosses this sign of equality, it will be minus. But if this minus R squared would now be, so our R squared will now be equal to G squared plus F squared minus C. Amen? Amen. So now, if whenever we are asked to find the radius, the formula will now be, by the time you square both sides, our arrow will now be square root of, excuse me, G squared, F squared minus what? For, radius. If you are asked to find the radius. So, I may also so write down the radius Yeah. Any question? Do you have any question? No question, right? So let's consider some examples. Yeah. I have some examples. Yeah. It said the equation of a cycle is x squared y squared plus okay. Find the coordinates of the center of the cycle, the radius. Can I clear everything? You are still writing?
Yes, sir.
Please write very fast so that can we continue? Okay. Let's consider some examples. Okay. Example. The equation of a cycle is x squared, right, plus y squared plus 8x minus 2y plus 8 equals to what? 0, right? They said find I, the coordinates. The coordinates. The second one, I want to convert it to the coordinates of the center of a cycle, right? And I, the radius, right? The radius of a cycle is simple as ABC. Amen?
Amen.
Let us just listen. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Let's listen. Okay. Have I given you guys past question?
No.
Serious? It's okay. I'll take you. But I don't repeat questions. So even if I give to you, but I just want you to look at it how it is. I don't repeat. I have more than enough questions that I can give to you guys. I think where is this? Somebody was a good camera, smart and good one. It's okay. Let's look at it together. Amen? Amen. Let's look at it together. We write solution, right? They said we should find the coordinates of the center of what? Of a cycle. Ask yourself, how can we find the coordinates? The center of a cycle. Let's go back to our cycle. Let's have it in this one. This is C. Is minus G minus what? F. R. S comma what? Y, right? What they are asking you, they are asking you of this. Is that clear? If they say find the coordinates of the center of a cycle, is there. And how are we going to obtain this place? It's simple as ABC. Already you have been given the equation of a cycle, true or false? And what is the equation of a cycle here? Is what? X squared plus y squared plus 8x minus 2y plus 8 equals to what? Amen? Yes. So, for you to be able to find the coordinates, what you need to do is for you to use the general equation of a cycle, equate it to this. No noise. Equate it to this. You have to write down the general equation of a cycle. Our general equation of a cycle is x squared y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to what? Amen? Amen. It means you don't need a prophet to tell you. This and this will pair. This and this will pair. True or false? This and this will pair. This and this will pair. This and this will pair. It means you are getting your C. True or false? True. It means where your C is what? 8. Where C is equals to what? 8. But supposing this 8 is negative, what will you write? Minus 8. Please take note. Very important. Is that clear? Very important. That's negative sign. Is that clear? Don't just write whatever value that is there. Always consider the sign. Even if it is 20, assuming minus 20, the C will now be what? Minus what? 20. The reason why 8 is because it is positive. Is that clear? Yes. Take note. So now, it means we are going to equate this. It means 2gx is equals to what? 8x. True or false? True. We are equating now. So, at this point, according to the diagram, we are looking for what? G. True or false? So, how can we look for G? We have to divide through by what? 2x. Yes. If we divide through by 2x, divide through by what? 2x. Amen? Amen. So we are going to have 2xg all over 2x equals to 8x all over 2x. This and this will go. Amen? Amen. So here will now be g is equals to 4. 4. Okay, yes. 4 now. This and this will cancel. 8 divided 2 is 4. Amen? Amen. True or false? True. Yeah. But now, let us remember something, recall. You know, I mentioned to you that the center is always what? Thank you. So it means this G is minus. But we are looking for G, not minus G. So it means our G will now become minus 1. Amen? Amen. Then the same thing applicable. Our 2fy is equals to what? No. Not 2y. Thank you. I've told you before. If not, because of this negative sign that you omitted, your answer will not be yes. Then you will tell person that I wrote this course very well. Where you write and well. It's okay. Amen? Amen. So minus 2y. So we want to obtain f. So what do we do? 2y, right? So if we divide through by 2y, it means divide through by 2y. Okay? By 2y. Amen? Amen. So here will be 2y f all over 2y equals to minus 2y all over 2y. True or false? So this and this will go, this and this will go. Our f is equals to minus 1. But at the center, f is what? Negative. True or false? So if this one, if you use minus to multiply 2, it's going to be positive. It means f is equals to plus what? Plus 1. True or false? True. So you can now see that the coordinates are what? Minus 4, comma what? 1. Amen? Amen. Are you following? Yes. Is it difficult? No. Then, they said we should consider what? The radius. The radius, you don't need a prophet to tell you. What is the formula? Yes. So it means what we need to do here is, okay, you are still writing, right? I have just finished writing. Amen? Amen. Any questions so far? Any question? Please, if you are done, let me know.
Okay, sir. Please.
Yeah. Okay. We can proceed, right? Let's proceed further to consider. Yeah. Radius. No noise. Radius. It means our arrow is equal to square minus what? C, right? But our C is what? 8. True or false? So our arrow is equal. G is what? Minus 4 squared, right? F is what? C is what? Minus 8. Amen?
Amen.
So our arrow is equals to, here is 16 plus 1 minus 8. Amen?
Amen.
So 17 minus 9, right?
Yes.
So here we are going to have 9. So it implies that the radius will now be equals to what?
Amen.
Any question?